Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you that how you can elevate your product business pictures through Pixelcut. So first of all, come to your app store and go to the search bar and search for Pixelcut. Pixelcut AI photo editor, and this is the app which you need, so just simply click on that and click on install if you already don't have it installed. I already have it installed, so I'm just going to click on open. Once you open that, you'll be redirected here. So there are numerous ways how you can elevate your products images. Like you can just click on this, you can just let it be transparent, or if you have a very messy background of your product, you can just turn it white, black, or any type of color splash. Like for example, if this is the original one, you can just change it from in any of these. Now if you have you can even do product photos like these, like change the backgrounds. And apart from that, like if you want if you are selling some kind of oil or lotion something, so you can just change the background to beach or water or any of it like this. Or you can even make some podium kind of, which focuses on the product only. Like you can see, these are very nice type of templates over here. And you can also make elevate the pictures of the shirts of your clothing business. Like you can use colorful backdrops like these, and you can also have some jewelry templates with very nice backgrounds over here. So these are some ways in which you can elevate your products images through Pixelcut. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.